Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me tonight. If you're staying up late, joining me, I appreciate it. If you're watching on the replay, hopefully you would find this video very informative. So today, what we're talking about is how to get started in the stock market. I mean, as always said, you don't have to have a lot of money. You just have to make a start. So my goal here is to get you to make a start, is to get you to take action. As I always says, we building wealth one investment at a time. So if you never invested in the stock market, I want to tell you how you could sign up. There is couple sites that does no commission. One of them is Webull. I hate that name though. But my my favorite is Robinhood. So I'm gonna just share with you what the Robinhood site look like. So the Robinhood site do look like this. You could go on there and you could click sign up. Is self-explanatory. It's really easy. You just go ahead, click sign up, follow the guidelines, follow the questions, and you will be good to go. You will have to link your bank to it, as I said before. But once you do all that and you approve, you can start investing in stocks. It is the easiest way to get started. So once you're there and you set up your accounts and all that good stuff, you want to kind of listen to the stock news. I recommend you join the investment club, CNBC Investment Club with Jim Cramer. I guess I joined there, and he gives a lot of stock tips for a small monthly fee that will take out a lot of the guesswork from you and for you doing it. Anyway, guys, so that's how you get started. I just wanted to kind of share that part of it with you. And if you're finding value in this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. So what we're gonna do, as I says, guys, we're gonna look at some cheap stocks, some stocks that should be within range for people that are just getting started. And now the market is down. You have a wonderful opportunity to buy some great companies at a huge discount. So if you never get started in the market, now is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. Once you went ahead and you start your stuff. As I said before, I do recommend you going over to that Robinhood and make those sign up, and so you could start your investment. So as we guys know, we have the Fed meeting coming out tomorrow. So I think stock should drop a little bit again. So you got to look at companies. If you just started with things down, it is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. But you want to look at companies, you want to look at strong companies that could help you build wealth. So we're gonna go through some companies tonight, guys. And I took the time to look at some companies that is pretty cheap, but they're solid companies. So I'm gonna try to share the screen with you as I do, and we're gonna try to talk about some companies, and hopefully you could find something that you like. First, before I go ahead, I want to say you always want to make sure you diversify. So you doesn't want to take all your stock and put it in one sector. So you don't want to say, you know what, I like smart cars, that's the future. So I'm gonna take all my money and I'm gonna put it there. That's just dumb and you will lose a lot of money. So you want to have something, if things break down, you're gonna fall back on something else. That's why I am choosing different companies. I'm going to go through with you. I'm going to talk about banks. We're going to talk about oil. We're going to talk about tech. So we're going to go through some of them, and some of them will be inexpensive companies. So, guys, the first company I'm going to share with you is a company that's been around for a while. You know it if you use all of the phones and stuff like that, and it is a discount. It is a company I totally believe in. It is Apple. Let me just kind of pull the screen up a little bit to make Apple a little bit bigger so you guys can see. So it's Apple, and that has dropped to a price of 133. It is a great opportunity. It's a great time for you to get into Apple if you didn't buy Apple, and they also give a dividend. and we kind of looking at companies that give dividend. We kind of looking at companies that give back to investors, but we're looking at strong companies with the iPhone and all the iPad and all the tech that Apple has going for it. There's always new technology on the breakthrough with Apple, and you cannot go wrong with a company like Apple. It is a company that you hold, you don't trade. It's a company that could help you build generational wealth if you stick by and you invest in Apple. Another thing again, if you don't have a lot of money, you could and you just have a job, you could try to save like 20 to 25% of your paycheck. And a good way to do it is like if you set up your Robinhood account, you could just, even though it's $100 a week, you could just put it there, transfer it to that account, and you even forget about it because you don't have the money. And then you could build that over time and use it to invest. So I just wanted to talk about Apple, guys, and I think it is wonderful company. So hey, if you're joining us, man, think about signing up and think about investing into Apple. Anyway, guys, so we're gonna keep it moving. So that was a tech that I just shared with you. I said before, you want to hit different sectors. So I'm gonna hit another company now, and I'm trying to look for inexpensive company since this video is for people that have never get it started yet. And we're gonna talk about Coterra Energy. They deal with natural gas and oil, and they give a 8% dividend, wonderful dividend. So I said I'm choosing company for you that are gonna give dividends, and dividends is when they report, they're gonna give you money back. So that's very, very important, guys. So Coterra Energy at $31.28, it is a great, great investment. So we're gonna kind of move forward. We're gonna kind of keep it moving here. So I'm going fast though, but just keep with me because I'm gonna share with you another company. Let's talk about the banks. With interest rate going up, we believe that the bank's gonna do well, and the next company is Wells Fargo. I have never seen Wells Fargo this low. Wells Fargo, it's at $37.40, guys, and it is a good way for you to get into a banks. So just to recap, we have done oil and gas because Coterra was a mixture of oil and gas. We have done tech, and now we're into the banks. So, guys, just want to show you that that Wells Fargo, it is another great opportunity for you to get in and get started. So let us just keep it moving. As I said, we're gonna look at a company. I believe in things are done. I know it looks bad right now, but it is a great opportunity for you to get into Disney. And with Disney, you're getting multiple investments because you're getting the parks, you're getting Disney Plus, and you're getting the cruise lines. So Disney is another wonderful opportunity for you to get in if you're just getting into the market. It's at price at $94.47. Another great opportunity for you to get into that investment. So let's just keep it moving. We're gonna try to hit as much. And then I'm gonna talk to you about a company again. This is a drug company. It's called AbbVie that does with a lot of Botox and stuff like that. So AbbVie, they give a 5% dividend. So that's another wonderful company, guys, that you can get involved in if you're just starting. The price is only $137.50, and they give a nice dividend. So what you would realize I've been doing, I've been trying to hit different sectors and different companies. So we talk about Apple Tech, we talk about Devon, which is oil, we talk about AbbVie, which is a healthcare, we talk about Wells Fargo, which is a bank, and we talk about Disney. And we also talk about Coterra, which is oil and gas. So if you're finding value in this video, please like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Anyway, take care.